Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have one of 3 new palettes from Clarity Cosmetics. This is a revamped version of the MERMAIZING palette, and this does contain a few new shades. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color story that we're getting. Now, this palette is going to drop, well, it's actually dropping today, but when you see this video, it's probably going to be the day after. It launches on June 14th at 11 a.m. CST. Now, this palette is made up of 6 super pigmented mattes, 2 multi-chromes, 1 duochrome, and 3 shimmer shadows. It does retail for $48. I do have an affiliate code with Clarity Cosmetics. It is Steff10, and that does save you 10% off of your order. I'm going to be doing 2 complete looks with this palette. I cannot wait to dive into this one. I love anything beach themed, especially mermaids. So I know I'm going to have a fun time with this one. And I'm also going to order the other 2 palettes, and that way we can do a tutorial over those as well. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello there. My name is Steff. Love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes and makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Clarity Cosmetics or just indie makeup in general, maybe you're a mermaid collector. I love anything and everything mermaid. Give this video a big thumbs up before you go. Be sure to check the description box for links to everything that I'll be wearing in today's video. Also affiliate codes, not just for Clarity, but for other brands. And if you do end up shopping using my codes or my links, I thank you guys so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started, guys, with look number 1. If y'all want to see how it's going to turn out, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with this new one from e.l.f. This is their Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. This is the second time I use it, and I think it's been working out. So far, so good with it. Let's dive into MERMAIZING today. I am so excited for this palette. I'm actually wearing red cream, well, red shoes, but then cream and black all at the top. So I could pretty much do anything. I kind of wanted to incorporate this shade somewhere though. So I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to pack it all over the lid. And then I'll use maybe this shade to kind of just blend a little in the crease. So this first shade is called Make Waves. And like I've said before, Clarity Cosmetics, they always have the cutest little shade names. I'm going to take this on Again Beauty E03. And we'll start applying all in here on the lid. That is a nice purple. Now on a BK A504, I'm going in with that lighter shade called Fishy Friends. And I'm just going to use this to kind of shape and define the look a little bit better. Not so much worried about this area. You'll notice I didn't take the dark shade that far down, and that's because we're going to do a shimmer there anyway. So I just really want to make sure that up here is nice and blended. All right, so I think that looks really good. Now I'm going to go into this beautiful shade right here, and then I'm going to follow it up with probably this shade down here, or this shade. Ooh, maybe this shade. Yeah, I think I'm going to do these 2 shades right here. So the first one I'm going to go in with is called A Mermaid Has No Tears. Okay, guys, this is a very softly pressed shadow. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it is extremely softly pressed. Very. So you're going to want to be real careful with it. I actually think I'm just going to put my powder puff here and start applying. because yeah, you will get fallout from this. And since I'm not using my NYX glitter primer anymore, I still need to find one, buy one that will take the place of it. And I'm not using it anymore because it causes creasing. But there you go. Oh man, I still got some fallout there. The next shade I'm going in with is Don't Be Such a Guppy, and this is the same brush. I just flipped it over. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Mermaid vibes all around, and I love it. I love mermaid tones. Oh, this is so, so pretty. And look, you can even see the shift over here, like from purple to copper. Clarity has some very cool color stories and very nice duo multi-chrome shadows. You just got to get a good glitter primer, a good glitter glue. Very nice. Okay, I absolutely love that. I am gonna just add a little bit of that dark purple back. Be very careful, but I just want to blend it right here in the crease a little bit better. I'll do a little lash today. Why not? It's Friday. We love it. We love it. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this green shade right here called Part of That World. And I'm going to leave a little empty space so we can try another shimmer shadow. So I think I'm going to do this green right here. This one is called Get Off My Tail. How cute is that? On a damp Rephr 03. Just apply that right in here. All right, guys, I'm going to take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back. Woo! Love it! I love it. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I am loving this. The purple with the green, the teal, a little bit of copper off to the side. I think it looks amazing. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. The lashes I'm using are these right here from Eyelure. They're the Wispy Light Lashes number 117. A little Essence black eyeliner on the top lash line. And for the lower waterline, a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Surf Thing. I love the way this look turned out. I need to head out the door, go to work, but tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to create another look for you guys in a few seconds, so stay tuned. All right, so let's get started with the second look. Oh, just such a stunning, beautiful, beautiful palette. I think what I'm going to do, let's do something with maybe the blues and the purples. And I think I'm going to start here with this one. I'm going to be working with these two shades first. This first shade is called So Much for True Love. Is that what it's So Much for? Yeah, So Much for True Love. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to start applying. I am using the Sigma eyeshadow primer. Has a little bit of a tint to it. I did order a new Sigma eyeshadow primer that I'll be using in an upcoming Get Ready With Me video. And I think that one is a little more neutral toned. This one they sent to me in PR, so I didn't get to choose the shade, but the other one I purchased myself, so I got to choose what shade I wanted. But I like it because it has some tackiness to it, and it's been working great. It's been a good eyeshadow primer. I've been enjoying so far the one from e.l.f. as well. I don't remember if I used that one for the first look, but I think I did because it was up here. But that one has been working out really well. Now I just need to get the glitter glue and I'll be set for eyeshadow primers. Now with the same brush, I'm going to go in with this shade called Washed Ashore. And I'm going to focus that out here. All right, next I'm going to go into this shade here. This one is called Make Waves. I'm taking this on a rougher 14. Now I think I'm going to add a little bit of Fishy Friends right here to the lid. And I'm using a BK209. All right, now for shimmer shadows. I think I'm going to start with this shade here, and then I'm going to work into this shade over here. So this first one is called I Don't Fin So, and then the other one is called The Unknown. And I'm using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, a little bit of fallout. Same brush. Now I'm going in with The Unknown. That is gorgeous. That blue. Oh, wow. Stunning. I'm going back in with a dark matte called Make Waves, just very lightly to blend. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this shade down here with my finger. This one is called Kiss the Girl, and I'm just going to add it right in here to the center of the lid. Ooh, perfect. I think I got to use majority of the shades already in this palette. There might just be one shade that I have not used or will not get to use. That's beautiful. Or have I used them all? You know what? No, there has to be one. No, I think I did use them all. Yay, I got to use everything. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the green. I know I did green yesterday or for the first look, but I think this would look beautiful on the lower lash line. Using a BKA504 to apply. Now I'm going to bring some of this lavender shade down right here to the inner corner. Using a damp Refer 03. All right, guys, so I'm going to pop off camera, take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I love the way it turned out. Same everything from the first look, with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this one from Essence. It's one of their cream gel liners, and this one is in the shade Emerald Dragon. I had such a good time with this palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so after creating 2 looks with the Mermaizing palette from Clarity Cosmetics, the revamped version, I think they did a phenomenal job. I love the scaling on the outside packaging, and what's inside is even better. To my knowledge, they added a couple duochromes, and they kind of changed. I know they did a formula change from their prior palette, Mermaizing palette. So there are some differences there, but I think this is a beautiful color story, especially if you're a Pisces, especially if you love anything ocean themed, mermaid themed the way I do. Then I think this is definitely a palette you'll want to have in your stash. I think the shadows all perform so well. I would recommend some type of glitter glue or glitter primer, because you will get a little bit of fallout, but I was able to brush away the fallout, so it wasn't anything terrible. But I just love this color story to pieces. This is definitely a color story I can wear every day and never get tired of it. I love that they included a darker purple in here. Ooh, I love the way this look turned out. I love the way both the looks turned out, and I am giving this Mermaizing palette 2 huge thumbs up. If you want to shop it, it should be in stock now, along with the other 2 palettes, which I've already ordered, and hopefully they'll arrive soon, and that way I can create some looks for you guys, give you all some inspo. But my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. Thank you so much, Clarity Cosmetics, for sending this one to me in PR. I really appreciate it. And now it's time for me to hear from you. Let me know what you thought of today's video. What did you think of the 2 looks I created? Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.